I've spent over 5 years on the internet searching for the ways to make money. In this video, I'll be summarizing all of them only for you. The ways that I'm gonna teach you will not require any investment or any high level knowledge. You only need a device and an internet connection, and boom, you are ready to go. And for those who don't have any skill or want to uplift your skill set, there's a special gift for you in this video. In a world where opportunities are hidden in digital shadows, one question looms large: how you can turn your internet connection into a money-making machine. Stay with me as I'm gonna uncovering all the secrets to earning money online. First, we venture into the realm of freelancing. Websites like Fiverr, Freelance, Upwork offer a marketplace for your skills. Whether you are a writer, whether you are a designer or a developer or a video editor, there's always a demand for your expertise. Create a profile, showcase your portfolio, and start building on the projects. The more you work, the higher your reputation and the higher you can charge. Next, we dive into the world of affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services to your friends or to your website or to your social media, you can earn commission for every sale made through your affiliate links. You can join affiliate programs such as Amazon Affiliate, CJ Affiliate, or Share a Sale. The key is to choose products relevant to your audience and promote them and convince your audience to buy them. Our journey now takes us to online ebooks and courses. Share your knowledge and expertise by creating and selling online courses on platforms such as Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera. Alternatively, write an ebook and publish it on Amazon Kindle, direct publishing. The initial effort is significant, but once your content is live, you can earn passive income for your life. And now for those with entrepreneurial spirit, dropshipping is a way that helps you sell products without holding an inventory. Create an online store with Shopify or WooCommerce. Find a supplier on AliExpress or Uber and start selling. When a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ships directly to them. Your portfolio is the difference between the selling price and the wholesale price. Proceeding to the fifth way of making money on the internet. If you have a knack of photography and videography, selling your stock footage can be a lucrative option. Upload your high quality images and videos to websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images or Pexels. Each download earns you a royalty, and as your portfolio grows, so does your income. The another way to earn money online is through YouTube and blogging. Start a blog on niche topic and monetize it with ads, sponsor posts, or affiliate links. On YouTube, create engaging videos to join the partner program. To earn from ads, building an audience takes time. Do you have expertise in particular subject or a skill? Online tutoring and coaching can be your path to earning more money. Platforms like Shag Tutors, VIP Kid, and Coach Me connect you with students or clients who need your help. Set your rates and schedule and start making a difference while earning more money. Proceeding to the eighth way of making money on the internet, virtual assistants are in high demand as businesses look to outsource administrative works. Websites like Zirtual, Zile hire virtual assistants to handle tasks like email management, scheduling, and customer support. If you are organized and efficient, this could be a great way for you to start your side hustle. Now talking about the last second way of making money on the internet, print on demand allows you to create and sell customized designs, product with upfront inventory costs. Use platforms like Teespring, Printful, and Readable to design and sell t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and when a customer orders, the platform handles the printing and shipping. Lastly, consider remote customer service. Many companies hire remote agents to work from home to handle customer inquiries, tech support, and sales call. Look for opportunities on websites like Indeed, FlexJob, and Remote.co. So now you can see that all of these ways require you a skill. Now don't worry if you don't have one. And all of you waiting for a gift, there is a link in the description to a WhatsApp and a Telegram channel where hundreds of courses are uploaded worth thousands of dollars, which will help you to learn infinite skills and start your earning just now. So why wait when you can join the channel just now? The internet is a treasure trove of opportunities waiting to be discovered. Whether you choose freelancing, affiliate marketing, creating courses, dropshipping, or selling stock videos, the key is to start. Explore what works for you, what gives you the more advantage, and find what's best for you. Your journey to financial freedom begins now.